So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity for 2024, 2025 and 2026 pass out batch. So first important opportunity from the company, that is Airbus. They are hiring for the role of ASC Associate System Engineer, and this is a full-time role. So your roles and responsibility, you can just go through complete job link in the description. This is a entry level job, and make sure to apply with updated resume. Okay, so these are the some job descriptions. You will basically deploy, test and or integrate highly available, scalable, maintainable system, may assist in development of product and user manuals. Next important opportunity, that is from the Cibro Technology. They are hiring for the role of software engineer 1, and job location is Pune and Bangalore. So if you are interested, you can apply for this. For this, in 2024 students are eligible, since they are requiring some experience in the OTA and other things. Okay, so just go through complete job in the description. You should have some knowledge of AWS and other. Next important opportunity, this is a internship from the Boscore Academy, and this is a software engineer internship in Noida. So freshers are eligible for this 2026 2025 all can apply. So these will be your roles and responsibility. You will build, maintain and responsive UI, develop basic backend API, work with REST API and third party integration. So if you are interested, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Next important opportunity, this is a walk-in drive at Tech Mahindra Limited, is Vandi, Hinjewandi phase 3. So walk-in date is 13 to 17. So it has started yesterday and still going on. So if you are interested, you can walk there. And this is for the role of customer support executive. So if you are interested only, then you can apply. For BTech student, I will suggest don't apply for this opportunity. Okay, there are lots of other important opportunity which gonna happen. Friends, if you have been selected for TCS NQT and want to schedule your mock interview with us, you can fill our form. Currently many results are getting out and many students are getting selected for interviews. So if you want, you can fill the form. We will provide you complete guidance which will help you to clear the exam. And if you have NQT exam further, must go through our video related to the coding questions. We already provided almost every shift coding questions. So for the time being, you can just go through it. That will be really helpful for you, because questions are also getting repeated somehow. In some part you can say. Next important opportunity, that is from the Optiver. They are hiring for the role of focus, means future focus India technology 2026, and this is a basically kind of program you can say. And those students who are graduating 2028 can apply for this university program. Okay, and these are the some deadline. That last date to apply is 17th April. So make sure to share this video among your friends so that they will not miss this important opportunity. Next important opportunity, this is the hybrid role. Okay, and for the role of software engineer 2025 batch graduates, they clearly mention. So this is also wonderful opportunity, and company name is Eightfold. So this is a AI kind of startup things, and if you want to work with them, then they are basically hiring for this. Okay, so if you have some knowledge in the backend development of 1 to 2 year, means then you can apply for this. Means if you have done some internship or anything, then it will basically increase your chances. Next important opportunity, that is from the Definitive Healthcare. They are hiring for the role of junior software engineer, and this is also a wonderful opportunity. So these are your roles and responsibility. You will develop server side for the cutting edge products, interact with the data scientist and front end developer, and maintain seamless communications. So for this also some experience in required. Next important opportunity, that is a freelance opportunity at Outlier, and for the role of AI coding contributor. So this is a part-time role. So compensation starting from $13 per hour to depend on the things. Okay, selection process 15 minutes intro conversion and platform sign up plus 120-minute assessment. Next important opportunity, that is from the Optimex. They are hiring for the role of trainee software engineer, and this is the position, that is L0 trainee software engineer. So you will report to project manager, and job title experience means freshers are eligible for this. So key responsibilities, just go through complete job description. You should have some knowledge of OOPS concept, SQL and Java. So if you are the from BE, BTech, BSc or MCA background, then you are eligible for this. You should have at least 7 CGPA and no active backlog. Immediate joiner are prepared. So 2026 can also try to apply for this wonderful opportunity. Next important opportunity, and that is from the Eightfold, which I have already provided update. So these are the some important job update. Hope video informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask a comment here. I will be very happy to help you. And for getting such important job update, you can subscribe us. You can also connect on LinkedIn, and any query if you have, I will reply as soon as possible. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.